This is 34.5 square meter space owned by our subscriber, Carol. She's into a modern style to make the most of the space in her house, but she's unsure where to start and how to organize and style her space. So the subscriber wanted clean lines, minimalism, and a clutter-free look using the principles of modern interior design. Let's get started. This is Carol's current layout of her space. As you can see, upon entering this room, the kitchen is the first thing you notice, followed by the dining area, and then the living area, which features a bay window area. The layout flows nicely, and the open-plan design allows natural light to spread throughout the space. But there are areas we can enhance to make it more functional and modern. Carol wants a modern interior design that focuses on clean lines, minimalism, and a clutter-free look. Therefore, we'll emphasize neutral colors, functional furniture, and natural materials like wood, glass, and metal to create a sleek and timeless aesthetic. This style is not just about simplicity, but also about making the space feel more open and practical. Carol lives with her daughter and their dog, so it's important to consider functionality and durability, especially when it comes to furniture and finishing. Let's start with the living room. This is her current living space. It's bright and open, but the furniture arrangement and decor could be updated to maximize functionality and style, changing it to a modular sofa that allows flexibility, comfort, and better use of space, making it perfect for her family's needs. Adding a wedge coffee table for $276 creates a central focal point, while offering practical space for drinks or everyday items. A side table on one end complements the arrangement, providing an accessible spot for essentials or small accents. On the side, we added a lounge chair to create a cozy seating corner, paired with a side table for $249.36, which serves as a functional addition for holding a book, drink, or lamp. An ottoman was included for added comfort, doubling as a footrest, or extra seating when entertaining guests. A rug for $119.99 to anchors the seating area, defining the space and adding warmth and texture underfoot. For the windows, blackout curtains for $101.99 paired with sheer curtains for $79.90 provides a perfect balance of privacy, light control, and softness to the space. For lighting, we included an arched floor lamp mount for $127.31 that enhances the modern aesthetic and provides focused lighting. We also added cove lighting to the ceiling to give the living room a soft ambient glow, complemented by recessed lights for even illumination. The modern ring pendant light for $390.49 serves as a statement piece, adding sophistication to the space. For the bay window ceiling, we used wood oak finish with track lights for $257.99 to highlight the area and add warmth, making it a standout feature. Accent wall beside the sofa with touches of gold, and snowbound white ties the modern theme together beautifully. We also added a modern console cabinet with a feeding station for her dogs at the bottom for $38.99, blending practicality with style. Finally, a painting above the console adds a pop of color and personality, completing the look while tying the design together seamlessly. Next up, her entertainment area. This is the current setup for the TV area. The space looks functional but feels cluttered and lacks a cohesive design. The TV is placed on a small stand with wires and items scattered around, which creates a less organized and polished appearance. The glass cabinet next to it has some nice displays, but the overall arrangement doesn't maximize the potential of the wall. That's why we decided to install black closed shelves at the base to provide concealed storage for items like media equipment, remote controls, or anything that you want to keep out of sight. Then, we used black Decton as the TV background. This material not only adds a sleek, modern look, but also enhances durability and creates a stunning contrast with the rest of the wall. To maximize space, we incorporated a combination of closed cabinet and open shelves. The closed sections keep things tidy, while the open shelves allow for decorative displays. An electric fireplace was added to the lower section of the wall. This not only gives the area a warm and cozy ambiance, but also makes the TV wall a standout feature in the room. It's perfect for creating a relaxing vibe, especially during colder months. For additional storage and visual interest, we placed open shelves on one side of the TV wall. These shelves enhance the verticality of the design, making the room feel taller and more balanced. Beside the shelves, we added a wood oak panel to bring in natural warmth and texture, aligning with the modern yet inviting theme of the space. Decorative accents were carefully chosen for the open shelves, such as neatly arranged books, stylish vases, indoor plants, and minimalist sculptures. These elements make the space feel more personal and curated. To further enhance the design, we placed an additional indoor plant beside the TV wall. This adds a natural touch and breaks up the clean lines with a bit of organic softness. For lighting, we added accent lighting at the top of the wall to create a soft glow. LED strip lights were installed around the TV background to highlight the decked-in material and make the TV area pop. The open shelves were also fitted with LED lighting, drawing attention to the decorative elements and giving the space a warm, layered look. This TV wall is not just a place for entertainment, but also a key design element that elevates the entire living space, blending functionality with modern elegance. Now, let's talk about the dining area. Her dining area is functional, but feels disconnected from the rest of the open-plan layout. The current table and chairs are practical, but they lack the modern, cohesive look that Carol envisions for her home. To enhance its modern aesthetic, we choose a beautiful black marble dining table for $723.89. This table not only adds a touch of elegance, but also stands out as a bold focal point in space. We paired it with comfortable dining chairs for $248 that have clean lines and soft cushions, providing both style and comfort for Carol and her family. Then, to tie everything together, we added a neutral-colored rug for $109 underneath. The rug softens the overall look and defines the dining area within the open layout. A simple but effective addition is the plant centerpiece on the dining table, which brings life and a natural touch to the space. Beside the dining table, we installed open shelves that add functionality and display opportunities for Carol's favorite decor, or functional items, making the area more personal and unique. To elevate this space further, we added fluted wood panels on the adjacent wall. These panels not only highlight the dining area, but also add warmth and texture to the design. We decided to paint the radiator in a black shade to match the fluted wood, so it blends seamlessly into the overall design and becomes part of the aesthetic rather than an afterthought. For the ceiling, we chose a wood feature that emphasizes the dining area and adds warmth. This ceiling element works with the cove lighting installed to highlight the space. The cove lighting creates a soft and inviting glow. So even though this is an open layout, the lighting helps to define the dining area and make it feel cozy. Accent lighting on the open shelves highlights the decor and creates a warm glow, adding depth to the area. We also placed a sleek, modern pendant light above the dining table. This pendant light acts as both functional lighting and a statement piece, anchoring the dining table visually within the room. Finally, to make the space feel even larger and brighter, we added a large mirror on the dining area wall. The mirror reflects light and makes the space feel more expansive, while also visually connecting the dining and living areas, ensuring they flow together seamlessly. For her kitchen, we'll retain the clean and modern style Carol loves but enhance the functionality. The existing cabinets have a clean and modern look, but we'll suggest soft upgrades to maximize storage and style. For the cabinets, we chose a matte charcoal wood finish, which adds a sleek and timeless touch. The pelican-colored cabinet doors pair beautifully with it, creating a balanced and cohesive look. The countertops are made from white decked-in, which is an excellent option, not just for its cutting-edge aesthetic, but also for its durability. This material works perfectly with the overall design, tying the space together. For the backsplash, we opted for black marble, which adds a touch of sophistication and contrast to the light countertops. We upgraded the hanging cabinets Carol already had, creating a combination of closed cabinets for concealed storage and open shelves to showcase decorative items, or everyday essentials. We retained the microwave oven in its usual spot, as well as the refrigerator, to ensure the workflow in the kitchen remains functional and familiar. The dishwasher stays near the sink for practicality and ease of use. Then, adding blinds to the kitchen window enhances both privacy and light control, while keeping the space functional. The slim, neutral-tone design complements the modern aesthetic, tying the look together seamlessly. For lighting, we installed a track light for $126.35, which provides excellent illumination for the workspace. Additionally, we added accent lighting on the open shelves to highlight the decor and create a warm, inviting ambiance. For the decor, we kept it minimal to maintain the modern vibe, but included a few functional accessories to add texture and personality to the space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.